Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get unbanned in Rainbow Six Siege. So either you may get unbanned or you can appeal your unbanned simply. So go to Google, I'm using Chrome browser and search here Ubisoft support or contact and press enter. When you enter, this page will open in front of you. So open the first website, contact us. And when you go to this page or website, it will take a few seconds to load. And on the upper section, you will see here help and scroll down to get help and click on it. And it will take you to this page. So what you need to do is simply scroll down and choose your game Rainbow Six Siege. When you click on it, it will take you to another tab. And at this page, simply scroll down and at the end you will see contact us. Simply click on contact us. And on this page, what you have to do is simply choose your game. Let's say select game service. Simply click on Rainbow Six Siege and select platform, whatever your platform is. So let's say I choose PC. And after that, simply choose player reporting and sanctions, ban appeals and reports of code conduct violations. Click on it. And after that, simply appeal a ban. And you click on it, and that will come in front of you, describe the issue you are experiencing. So here you can write down your issue of why you get banned or how you got banned. Simply write down all the details, all the issues you are facing. Like you can write, I got temporarily banned, I was not using any kind of cheats or codes or anything, and I got banned for no reason, or whatever you want to write. And you can also add some files with it. So in case you have any screenshots, simply send them the screenshots and write down your problem. And after that, simply click on contact us open case. So when you click on open case, they will contact you through your email address and ask further details of how you got banned or whatever your reason is. And that is how you can appeal your ban in Rainbow Six Siege.